Reporters from around the world lined up as early as 6 a.m. to get inside the courtroom. Maxwell is facing 6 felony charges, including sex trafficking of minors, all related to accusations that she recruited underage women for Jeffrey Epstein. The jet-setting multimillionaire was awaiting trial also for sex trafficking charges in 2019 when he was found dead in a New York City jail.
You'll probably see her, Ghislaine Maxwell.
The two have received global coverage, detailing their lavish lifestyle, their rich and famous friends, and the women who say they were sexually abused by Epstein and Maxwell. Prosecutors are expected to call on 4 different accusers to testify against Maxwell.
This is not some sordid sex story.
Another accuser, Virginia Giuffre, isn't part of the case, but she has shared her story with the public, saying she was recruited by Maxwell.
She was pulling the strings. She had his money. Ghislaine was much more conniving and smart than Epstein ever was.
Maxwell has been in a detention center since her arrest 17 months ago. Highly anticipated in the trial, whether the British socialite will take the stand and if a so-called black book of contacts, allegedly full of high-profile names, will be revealed.
Most defense lawyers would say that Ghislaine Maxwell, under no circumstances, should testify in this case.
So, Chris, you were in the courtroom today for the opening arguments. What stood out to you?
Well, Andrew, if opening statements are an indication, we're going to hear more sordid details. The prosecution today was very clear. For them, this is a trial about the sex trafficking of kids. But make no mistake, we're going to hear about 2 very different Ghislaine Maxwells. One side will claim that she is a dangerous predator who was the right-hand woman of Jeffrey Epstein. And the other will say that she is only on trial because Epstein is not, that she's being punished for what he did, and that, in fact, she's only one of his many associates. Andrew, we can expect a verdict early in the new year.
Okay, thank you, Chris.